If you're using Zendesk to manage customer tickets, you probably know how important it is to keep sensitive data safe. That's where the Redact Attachments app by Knots comes in. It's a simple but powerful tool that automatically removes attachments from tickets. This not only helps you stay compliant with privacy regulations, but also keeps your storage tidy and reduces the chances of sensitive info slipping through the cracks. To get started, you'll install the app right from the Zendesk Marketplace. Just search for Redact Attachments by Knots and click Install. You'll have the option to restrict the access to the app based on user group or roles. When you're happy with your settings, click on Install again. Once it's added to your Zendesk instance, go to your agent workspace. There, you'll be able to find the app in the sidebar. If you don't see it immediately, it might be tucked under the More Apps section, so just click the 3 dots near the bottom of the sidebar to reveal it. When you open the app for the first time, you'll either sign up or log in with your Knots account, and then you'll connect your Zendesk account through a secure integration. When you set up your Zendesk connector, input your connector name and your Zendesk subdomain, then click the Setup Connector button. You will then click on Proceed to Zendesk to complete the setup, where you will be redirected to another page confirming that you've set up your connector successfully. When you're back in the app, click on the Select Existing button, then choose the connector you just set up. Then, click on the Get Started button. After you're connected, it may seem like it's all code, but fear not. The app will walk you through how to set up the automation piece. All you need to do is click on How to Deploy in the top right corner, which will open a window with webhooks and triggers. Then click Enable for authentication. After that, create a new trigger and then click on the Edit button of the newly created trigger. You'll be directed to the Triggers page. This is where you decide the conditions for when attachments should be redacted, usually based on ticket status, like when it's marked Solved, and may be tagged in a specific way to avoid any unwanted loops. Once it's live, the app will take care of redacting attachments automatically based on those settings. And that's pretty much it. Now, let's see how the app works. In this demo, we'll show you how Knots apps can help your team redact sensitive information from the ticket and delete the attachment to make sure that your company is security compliant. The sample ticket will have the credit card details, while the attachment will also include the customer's social security number. First, you'll see the Knots Converter app in action. It will convert the PDF attached to an internal note. Then, our AI kicks in to identify the credit card number and social security number. This will then activate the AI Ticket Redaction app that will allow us to redact the sensitive information in the ticket when you submit the ticket as solved. Finally, to make sure all of the customer's sensitive information are redacted, Knots Redact Attachment app finishes the job. With just a quick setup, you've got a fully automated way to protect sensitive information and streamline your workflow. If you run into any questions or need help along the way, the Knots team is always available at support@knots.io. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with smart automation.